Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, with another development. I'm here on Seymour Drive. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Trying to get through to 3,000 subscribers. Definitely turn on your post notification bell as well, so whenever I post a video, you guys are first to see, and you guys will be notified as well. So we did this property, we did the first video on this property about 6 months ago. There wasn't much, but there's been a lot of progress here so far. And again, guys, definitely like, share, leave a comment on this video in terms of what you think about this property, the location. So it's 22 Seymour Avenue. Hope you guys are definitely staying safe as well during this whole coronavirus situation. So hope you guys are staying inside, staying sanitized, and just going out only when absolutely needed. So I'm happy to still bringing you guys content. I know most persons are home, most persons are working from home, doing school from home. Some persons are quarantined as well. Some persons are on lockdown in St. Catherine. So I'm happy to still be able to bring you guys content as well. And I am definitely staying safe, taking all my precautions. I'm not taking any public transportation. And I'm not really, around people when I'm doing the video as well. Just want to give a shout out as well to all my regular persons that are always commenting, persons that are always sharing, the new subscribers as well. Just thanking everybody for the support. And as Jamaica try to move past this coronavirus, I hope everybody just continue to make the best of the situation in whatever way they can. So over there is the Zen at Seymour apartment complex, and in front of Zen at Seymour there's a very big open lot just waiting to be developed. And right over here as well, which is 21 Seymour Avenue, is another property, a rundown property that's also waiting to be developed. So you have this one here, and then right beside it you have that very big property. I did a video on Zen at Seymour before. I'll put that in the comments so you guys can check it out if you haven't done so. I'll walk up there as well to show you guys a glimpse towards the end of the video. So this property that we're looking on, 22 Seymour Avenue, is right next to the Zen at Seymour, or Zen at Seymour. Alright, so the wind noise is a little bit high, a little bit heavy at times, so apologies for the wind noise. Alright, so this complex is not one of those traditional multi-level apartment that we've seen. This is more a townhouse. So this is more of a townhouse complex. Haven't seen a lot of details on it. I know some of them would put pictures of the final project, on the wall, on the perimeter fence. Not seen that as well. So if any of you guys know what the final project will be like, definitely leave it in the comments. If you guys find any pictures, leave it as well. Probably how many units. Some of these look like 2-bedroom, some look like 3-bedroom as well, townhouse complexes. I'll also try give you guys a side view. Alright, and also in front of this complex, which is 22, you have 19 and a half, which is another townhouse type complex right here. So that is Eaton or Eaton Square. Let me see if I can get a focus. So that one is directly in front. And we see Virtuoso are the designing architects. And we also have Zeta Construction. I know sometimes I do a property review. Some persons ask for a number for a realtor or where they can get more details. So you guys can call these number to get more details like prices and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys a side view. And then we take a look at the Zen at Seymour. Alright, so this is a side view of the property. This road leads on to Old Hope Road. So that's Old Hope Road, bringing you to Liguanea. This is another vacant lot beside the property we're looking at today, which is the 22 Seymour Avenue. So very big piece of empty, big piece of vacant lot as well. So this one is another development potential. The property we're checking out is right over here. You can probably see through the fence. So it goes way back. I think they're only doing 2 floors, probably 3 the maximum. I think most of the buildings I saw is 2, but I think they'll be going up to 3 floors for these properties. So I'm not sure if you guys can see clearly, but the property goes all the way back. So from there to around there. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys now Zen at Seymour, and then we'll just wrap up the video. So again, this is the empty lot beside the 22 Seymour Avenue. That's the property right here. Another side view. Alright, so that's our property over there that we're checking out. Then beside it we have 24 Seymour Avenue. Did a more in-depth review on this. This one was financed by JMB. So 24 Seymour Avenue right here. And then in front we have this massive piece of lot. I think it's owned by Sagicor. It's just waiting to be developed. I'm not sure if any plans is finalized for it as yet. So this is it, guys. Another property tour with Rush to Discovery Boss. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you're new. And again, if you want to donate to the channel, all that info is in the description as well. Some of the donation will go to, for example, purchasing a drone for the channel to get some better shots, better videos. And stay safe, guys. Stay inside and stay sanitized. See you on that next video. And that's the Zen at Seymour.